Yo, hello diamonds. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Lexi. And today we're gonna watch the newest MV from BTS V or Kim Taeyong, Rainy Days. I'm super excited. Let's jump right into the video. Okay, V, let's go. When you listen really carefully, loops go wheeling. What? Oh, wait. Is this a self-made video? A self-made MV, I mean. Oh, he's so good looking. I love his hair. Cozy and what? Cozy and stuck? Cozy and stuck? Why are you feeling stuck? Yontan! Hold on. Okay, sorry. I will keep pausing. So if you want to watch the whole full video uninterruptedly, you need to stream the original video. Okay, don't watch me. I will be pausing a lot. Yontan, I miss Yontan. Okay. Oh my God. Where is he? All of the place. Wow. I mean, where is he? By the way, is this full English again? To be honest, he doesn't look like Korean at all. Don't you agree with me? He's so cool. He looks like, I don't know, an Italian? I don't know, V. I love his deep voice. This man, you know what? He's been releasing 2 videos for two days. Yeah, 2 days. 2 days, 2 videos. This man knows how to work hard. Yo, V, let's go. Yaton! Yes, I think this is a self-made video. This is awesome. Wow. No, it's not a self-made video. No. It's not. I'm sorry. Oh, I love the lighting though. Beautiful. The flares. Oh, he's too good looking. And Yontan, why do you keep running? Yontan is one of the cutest dogs I've ever seen. Oh, what is he watching? Oh, he's too good looking. What's it? Oh, it's so cute. Okay, close ups. I've been hearing like several different voices. How is that even possible? Oh my God. But it's still his voice. But I don't know, it sounds different. What's that? Layover? V, the layover, okay. The genre of this song, by the way, is a bit jazzy, if I'm not mistaken. A bit jazzy, but not pure jazz. music. It's jazzy pop. To be honest, it's not my favorite genre, but this is V. I love everything about him. What is he doing? Oh, okay. He's drawing? Oh, is that an alien? He's drawing an alien? Or is he drawing himself? But what's with the antenna? What is this song about? Okay. Yontan. He's so cute. Okay. I love me again more, to be honest. But I love to see how he has developed into a real artist that explores many kinds of genres that he loves. And I know he loves that kind of genre. And yeah, he can do whatever he wants. And I'm gonna keep supporting him. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Toodles.